Welcome back, cats.
I'm Dawson Wagner.
And I'm Dawson Beach.
And this is some of your K-State Today events for Dead Week. To start us off, on Thursday, May 4th, from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m., Hale Library is hosting an event on copyright and AI generation and intellectual property. Do you know who owns the information outputted by an AI, or even if you own the words you use in a prompt? Well, this workshop led by library staff will help decode the terms of intellectual property and generative AI and guide you on use strategies in our new AI age. You can find this event in the Friends of the K-State Libraries room on Thursday.
And on Friday, May 5th, Dole Hall is open for a drop-in portrait day. From 10 a.m. to noon and 1 to 3 p.m., these studio portrait sessions are available for faculty, students, and staff to have a professional portrait taken free of charge. The normal turnaround time is 5 to 7 business days. Please let your photographer know if it is needed sooner.
And later that night, we round out our week with an improvisational performance by nationally recognized multimedia artist Paul Rucker, premiering a new performance featuring improvisational music and dialogue.
Rucker and local artists, led by Museum Specialist Nate McClendon, will interact with the audience to create music and perform spontaneously, breaking the traditional barrier separating performers and spectators. The performance will run from 7:30 to 8 p.m. in Mark A. Chapman Theater in Nichols Hall.
For Wildcat Watch, I'm Dawson Wagner.
And I'm Dawson Beach.
And for the last time, this has been some of your K-State Today events for the week.